Okay, some shortcuts for integrals, or this is checking if we can do some shortcuts for integrals. We have a function f of x, and they're not telling us too much about it, except they tell us that they did an integral from 2 up to 4. So they started at x equals 2, and they went up to x equals 4, and that gave us a positive result. The area in this section was positive 10. Then they integrated from 4 to 5 and came up with negative area. Quite a bit of it, actually. That should be higher. They came up with an area of negative 17 for this part when they integrated from 4 to 5. And their question is, what would we get for the integral from 2 all the way up to 5 if we took all this area together? Well, an integral just adds up all the areas that it finds starting at 2 and going up to 5, so this is actually pretty quick to calculate. The integral would get a positive 10 from that first section and a negative 17 from the second section, and it would mash them together and get a total of negative 7. So the integral from 2 to 5 here would be negative 7. In other words, normally we're working backwards. They give us a one-piece integral like this, and we break it into sections and say, okay, this piece will be positive, this piece will be negative, and then maybe we throw out some negative signs. This is working the other way around, where they're giving us the pieces, and we just have to recombine them to get a total, which is not too bad.